There's 278.
There's 278s. Did it start going again?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
79. There's 279.
279s.
And one under 100.
All the way down there on the left. First row. Or column. Okay, you have any more 79s?
No.
Okay, we're on to what now? The
80.
80s. Let's see. Jada, come do my 80s for me. Okay, what's the first number y'all see?
80.
There's 80. Okay, what do we have next?
83. There's
83.
283.
283s.
The first row. The top. 85. There's 285.
Okay, now 80, 86. 1, 2,
3.
one more. 3. 87. Anything else?
89.
89, is that it?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Who am I called on in a while? Shariah. Good. Come do my 90s. Do my 90s. What number does she start with, guys?
91.
91.
There's 2.
There's 3.
Oh yeah, there's 399.
Okay, let's find our 91s. We got 1 here. We got 1. Where else? We got 2. And we got 1 more next to it. Right there.
91.
Okay, so we got 3 of them. 3 91s.
And it got 292.
1, 2, 3 91s. What's next, guys?
92.
92.
There's 2 of them.
There's 1 up here too. Yep. 2 92s.
95.
Any other 90s?
95.
95. That's it for 95s.
96.
And then you have a 96.
90. Why is your memory dropping?
And what's one? Last one. And Raekwon.
That's the easy number. No, all I have to do is put 1 0.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh yeah.
Alright, what's my last number that I have to put in my 7 leaf? 100. Raekwon, you get to do the 100.
1 0. It's hard.
Alright. What do you guys notice about my stems? When I had 100, how many numbers go in my stem?
1.
My stem?
2.
2, right? How many numbers go in my leaf? 1. Okay, so if you have a 3-digit number, you put the first 2 over here and you put the 1's place over here, okay? Because my leaves are always what place value? My leaves are always what place value? 1. Good. Okay? Okay, we do it right? Yep. Good. Okay, so what we said was you need to put them in order from current to new, or least to greatest, okay? So this is the first one they did over here, and then they changed it over here. What did they change between this stem and leaf and this stem and leaf? What did they change, Ariana?
The new one is from least to greatest.
Good, it goes from least to greatest, okay? That's how we did our chart. We did ours from least to greatest, because your number should always go smallest to biggest. Okay, so when you make a stem and leaf, it shouldn't look like this. It shouldn't be all jumbled up with all these numbers in here. It should go least to greatest. Okay? Your question?
Can I go to 1 through 5?
1 through 5, where?
I can't.
Yeah, depending on what numbers you have. Yeah, we did 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, and 100s, but you could have 10s, 20s, 30s. It doesn't matter. Whatever data you have is what you put in your graph. Okay? All right. So then finally, you're going to create a key, but we're not going to worry about keys today because we haven't talked about mean, median, mode yet. We'll do that later on Monday. Okay? So I have my stem and leaf graph of my babysitting money. Okay? So this isn't just numbers. These are what? Money. These are dollar amounts. Okay? So they took all our data and they put it into a stem and leaf plot. Okay? I think that was supposed to be hidden and then it came out. Okay? So that's my 7-leaf plot. We took all this money and we put it into a chart. Alright, so we're going to check. What's the highest fee earned? What's the highest fee earned? How much was the highest amount of money that was earned while babysitting, Lisa?
65.
65. Good. I go to my highest stem and my highest leaf, and that tells me the biggest number in my table is what, everybody?
65.
65. Okay? What was the lowest fee earned? What was the lowest fee earned, Trevor? 21. Good. My lowest stem, my lowest leaf tells me the smallest number in my stem and leaf plot. Okay? How many times were babysitting fees earned? How many times were they earned? What is it asking me, first of all, Malika? What's the question asking me? It says, how many times were babysitting fees earned? You know what it's asking?
Yes.
What's it asking?
How many times was she getting paid?
Good. How many times did she get paid? So what do I have to do to find that?
You have to count the stem numbers with the leaf numbers.
Okay, good. I have to count, but I don't really have to count my stems. I can just count my leaves. 'Cause my leaves are the numbers, right? Because this is 21, 22, 23, 24. So if I just count my leaves, that'll tell me how many numbers are in my chart. So Malika, tell me how many numbers are in my chart.
13.
Okay, let's count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Perfect. Okay? So she was paid 13 times. Okay? And we're going to go to the next one.
You know you missed the question.
I know, that's me needing mode. We're going to worry about later. Okay? Okay, so what was the greatest number of points earned by this volleyball team? These are the points earned. What's the most amount of points they earned? Raekwon, Ariana. Raekwon, what was the most number of points this team earned? 65, yes. 65, most number. Oh, okay. What was the least number of points earned by the volleyball team? Promise, what was the least number? 29. My smallest number is 29. Okay, how many teams earned more than 50 points? How many teams earned more than 50 points? Josh? 2 teams earned more than 50?
59 and 65.
How many, listen, how many numbers on my chart are bigger than 50?
6.
3.
6. It's 6.
Yes, Malika.
6.
51, 54, 59, 61, 63, and 65 are all bigger than 50, yes?
Oh.
Okay. How many teams earn more points than 50? Okay, there's 6 numbers bigger than 50. What was the difference between the greatest and least number of points earned? What's my greatest number earned?
65.
65. What's my least number earned? So how would I find the difference between those? Just tell me how I would do it. I would subtract. Good. I would subtract 29 from 65 and I would find the difference. Okay? How many volleyball teams played in the tournament? How many played in the tournament? How many numbers are on my graph? How many teams played, Raekwon?
5.
Just 5? I only have 5 numbers on my 7 lead.
Oh.
How many teams played? How many numbers are on my board? How many, Jada? Huh? 16? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Perfect. 16. Alright. Someone raise your hand. Is there anything that you're still shaky about 7 lead? That we need more practice on? Yeah, we'll stretch. Alright. Alright, let me explain something to you and then we'll stretch again. Let me explain something to you. Okay? This is going to be one of the centers that we're going to do today. You're going to practice doing your stem and leaf. So when you come to the Smartboard Center, you need a whiteboard, you need a marker, and you need an eraser. Everyone in your group needs a whiteboard, a marker, and an eraser. Yep, you can do it there on the desk if you want. That's better. Okay? This is how you're going to do this station. Okay? You're going to need, as a group, you're going to take turns rolling the dice. Okay? Once you roll the dice, you're going to write it in the space over here. Okay? So if my group is group 1, I have Shariah, Michaela, Jada, Adrian, Ayana, Veronica. You're all going to take turns rolling. You're going to roll a total of 10 times. Not each person rolls 10 times, but everybody together rolls 10 times. Okay? So when it's my turn, I'm going to click each of the dice, and I'm gonna roll them, okay? And I'm gonna write down my number. I have 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, so I have a number 8. I'm gonna write it in the board. Okay, then it's my next person in my group's turn. They're gonna roll. They're gonna get a number. I got 6 plus 2 is plus 3, 11. Okay, next number. I'm gonna do that 10 times so I get 10 numbers. Okay, once I get 10 numbers on your whiteboard or on the table, you're gonna make a stem and leaf chart. Okay, you're gonna draw your chart and you're gonna write your numbers. Okay, so my lowest number is what? 8. So is that a stem or a leaf? What place value is the stem? Stem. This is my stem, and this is my leaf. What place value is my stem? 10. So is that a tens place? What's an 8? What place value is 8? 1. So it's going to go over here. And then I do my next number, 11. Where does my 11 go? What goes in the stem?
1.
What goes in the leaf?
1.
Okay? You're going to do that with all your numbers on your desk or on your whiteboard, and then you're going to get together and you're going to check to make sure you did it the right way. Does that make sense, everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's one station. Okay, another station is going to be with me working on the back table. Another group is going to do destination math. And then the last group is going to work on the geometry project.